All right. Welcome back to another fun-filled and exciting episode of It's Easier to Take It Somewhere Else. Today, we going to install a battery on the S10 pickup. It keeps going dead. I was having issues for the longest time with the pickup, and it was my fault. I took the 12-volt power supply out, the outlet, and I installed a USB. And for some reason, I don't know why, come on, what's going on? For some reason, it was draining my battery. I have no idea why. And it just kept doing it and doing it and doing it. Hang on. I don't have a tripod over here yet. So it kept going dead and dead and dead. I kept recharging it. Sometimes it would be dead for like days or a week. And I think the battery just died too many times. And I tested it, and it's a weak battery now. I don't know where my tripod went. Here it is. So I went down to, I can't say a local Walmart, but went down to Walmart, picked up a battery right there. I wanted to get a 4-year battery, or at least a 3, but they didn't have it. So I had to settle for a 2-year battery. This is about as close as I can get, you guys, without you being in my way. I gotta get a 8mm wrench. Take this off. Take the negative terminal off. I wanted to eliminate this side post. I think this is one of the stupidest ideas GM ever had. Not the stupidest, one of the stupidest. So anyway. I bought a top post battery with side post adapters, but the battery that I bought had the positive next to the fender. And the polarity was switched, so I took it back. I couldn't find a battery in my size group to successfully do it. So I had to go with another side post, which I'm not crazy about. because if you have to charge them or jump them, it's a pain in the ass. Okay, remove the terminals. And then remove the hold down. This little this little hold down block on the lip of the battery. This is my homemade go handle rather, for the battery. Made it out of, used a large tie wrap. This one that I bought came with a real go handle. Put the wedge back in. I don't know, maybe I can get you guys in, I don't know. Give it a go. Move you to the other side. Okay, this little wedge-shaped thing, this lip catches on, there's a little lip on the battery, on the side of the battery. Bottom part goes right in. Put your nut on. It holds it down. Which holds the battery in. Okay. I wasn't going to show this. I just figured most people have put batteries in, but kind of occurred to me that maybe they didn't. They make special wrenches for these side post batteries, ratcheting wrenches. I don't have one, and I probably never will. I don't do it. I don't do it enough to warrant the expense, even though they're relatively inexpensive. I still don't really need one. A regular 8mm wrench works fine for me. That's changing a battery. That's it, we're done. Really wasn't much to it, it's very simple. You know which way to turn a bolt. Of course, I went to put the new battery in, and went to start the car, or truck rather. Noticed right away when I opened up the door, it did not ding. We are stone dead. Brand new battery. So I'm going to throw the charger on it right here. And if I can't, I'll test it. And if it tests weak, well, I'm going to have to take another trip to Walmart. That's about it. Hope I still got the receipt. Something tells me this is not going to be good. Not going to be a good experience at all. Charge test. We are at 2.6 volts right now. So throw it on for 40 minutes on a 15 amp charge. Let's see what happens after 40 minutes. A new battery should not be 2.6 volts. Okay, it's been roughly 40 minutes. Take the charger off and put the tester on it. See what we're looking like. Well, it says we're good, but I put a load on it. Okay, back. Got my money back at Walmart. Went to the Homeless Depot. Got one of their batteries. Gonna put it in and see what happens. All right, battery tested and good. I guess the Homeless Depot pulls through. Walmart failed.